Coach Dr. Prosper. Coach, very disappointing result for you, but I'm not sure you were disappointed with the performance overall. Can you sum up the 90 minutes?
The performance was good. We had a lot of rhythm within our play. We saw more of the ball, created more chances, especially in the first half. I think we had a lot of open play chances that we could have converted, but then we couldn't utilize them. And then the second half they scored, and then the dynamics of the game changed. But then I was very happy about one thing. When they scored, we didn't lose our shape, we didn't lose our structure. We kept to our structure, and then also injected a lot of energy into our play. We look more purposeful, we look more hungry to equalize, and then we equalized and even created some few chances thereafter to even go ahead, but then we were just unlucky. So on the whole, I think the boys played very well. We had a structure on the field, we kept the ball very well, we defended very well, and then we created a lot of chances.
Questions for Doc?
Coach, I don't think this is a result that you expected, but I also want to believe there were some few key points to take out of this. What is that key take-home point that you are drawing from this Kotoko versus Younger Forces game, and you want to build on that for subsequent games?
I think it's all about the creation of the chances. We as I said earlier on, it was good for us. We created more chances. We could play out of, a lot of, opponents, and then create chances. So it's good for us. All that we have to do is to make sure that we try to put the ball at the back of the net. So going back, we need to emphasize more of goal scoring, and I'm sure once we are able to do that, we'll be fine. Again, I think we need to be very active in our defensive play. Once we are very active in our defensive play, when we go on the attack and then we lose possession, we will be very sure that our back is covered, because it was out of our inability to stay active in defense that gave them the opportunity to launch that attack, and that resulted in a goal. So one is about making sure that we rehearse more on goal scoring draws, and then two, trying to make sure that we stay very active in defense when we are attacking the opponent.
Coach, in your earlier interview with Ogum, you made mention of change of venue to affect our whole team. After playing your first game at Washington Sports Stadium, what was your impression after the game?
I'm overwhelmed by the number of spectators who came around. I mean, the whole place was almost full, filled. Yeah, I mean, the whole place was almost full to capacity, and that is a plus for the team, for the Kotoko team, because if you play away from home and you have a lot of supporters traveling from near and far to come and watch you, it tells that they have a lot of confidence in the team. They have a lot of belief that the team can perform and then win games. So I don't think that the change of venue was actually a factor. The key thing was that we couldn't just take advantage of the chances that came our way.
Yes.
Yes. Very frustrating fans. Very disappointing in their face. You travel this week to work on a very difficult house. Finding it difficult to make ways. My question will be on with the boys. How are you guys going to do in order to do something special? What should they expect from you going to
I think the fans you see out there, you saw it, you've gone out there, they are holding placard of Tinedu that he didn't play. So if you are supporting a team and then because somebody you are supporting did not play, I mean, you don't come and behave that way. It's all about the team, it's not about individuals. So we as a group, they need to realize that it's the team first. It's not about individuals. Tinedu is a good player. At the right time, we introduce him into the game. So if you go out there, those making the noise there are those who came because of Tinedu. And if you saw the game, everybody who played well. He even warmed up, wanted to take him in. But then what happened was that at that time we were down. So he's more defensive oriented and you are down. So if you put him in, are you defending or you are attacking? So these are some of the things that we need to look at. It's not about the individual, it's about the team. I hope it's clear. So basically that is that. And for the fans, I mean, we are going away. The performance that we put up today was very good. And I'm sure if we double it, we'll be able to get the needed results.
When you
started the game, the shape was there, but after continuing to score the solution, you got to the shape, most of the time, but you got him as a left wing, doing most of the bosses. I was expecting to see at the Caribbean that height, who can challenge the ball, but you kept your two attackers.
Sorry to cut you short. Abdul Karim didn't dress. Did you see him dress in jersey? Eh? But did you see him dress? Talk about what you saw. Did he dress? He didn't. Yeah, per the FA rules, I mean, you cannot deploy 5 foreign-based players to come and play in a single game unless those 5 foreign-based players are all from the ECOWAS community. So that has actually affected us. So you look at Wisdom is not here, Fernando is not here, even though he needs time to be introduced. Rahman was part of the team squad, but because of still the rule, we thought something was going to happen, nothing happened. So even though you saw his name there, per the FA statutes, he was not qualified to play. So that is that.
Can we see him anytime soon?
It depends on it's not about me, the coach. Yeah, it's not about me, the coach. If per the rules, they can all play at the same time, and they are all ready to play, I'll put them in.
That interpretation is subject to scrutiny, but we'll get there in the future. Last question for
Coach, I did not Coach, your interview with your media team, you made mention of, and you talk about the pitches in the natural grass, you prefer Obuasi and Grace. And you also made mention of winning more games, looking at the team that you have now. Are you surprised you saw this performance from young apostles? And what are you going to say about the pitch you saw today?
Yeah, I think the pitch is good. It's been there for some time now. I'm sure maybe because of maintenance. So it has actually, it is not actually like we used to know. But then it's still good. I'm sure with 1 or 2 rains or with a lot of watering, it will become better. It will become better than it is now. But it's a good pitch. That one, nobody should take it away from them. It's a very good pitch. We just couldn't take our chances. That is it. And I think Young Apostles also played very well. I mean, I'm not surprised. They are typically any team that comes to play Kotoko will come the way they came. And let's be sincere, the Kotoko team played very well. We created more chances than they did. We just couldn't convert or take our chances. That is it. So kudos to the boys. As a coach, I am happy and I'm proud about the performance.
Right, thank you so